Did you know that our solar system's king, Jupiter, is a moon magnet? Seriously, it has at least 95 confirmed moons, and astronomers keep finding more. It's like a celestial party out there, and Jupiter is the ultimate host. But here's where it gets really weird. While most moons play by the rules, orbiting in the same direction Jupiter spins, a whole bunch of them are rebels. They go the wrong way, in what's called a retrograde orbit. Imagine a busy roundabout, with most cars going clockwise, but a few daredevils are speeding counterclockwise. That's what's happening around Jupiter. These retrograde moons are also tiny, chaotic, and hang out in the outer suburbs of the Jovian system, far from the big, well-behaved inner moons. It's a cosmic puzzle. How did they get there? And why are they breaking all the traffic rules of the solar system? The conventional wisdom for moon formation just doesn't quite fit for these oddballs. The leading theory is a dramatic one. These aren't Jupiter's original children. They're adopted. Or, more accurately, they were captured. Picture this. Billions of years ago, the early solar system was a much more chaotic place. A cosmic shooting gallery filled with rogue asteroids and planetesimals, small rocky bodies that never quite made it to planet status. As the colossal Jupiter plowed through this cosmic debris field, its immense gravity acted like a giant net. Any object that wandered too close at just the right speed and angle could get snagged. Instead of flying by or crashing into the planet, it would be trapped in orbit. This gravitational capture is the best explanation we have for these strange, backward-orbiting moons. It's a delicate dance of physics. Too fast, and the object escapes. Too slow, and it becomes a spectacular, but brief, meteor in Jupiter's atmosphere. But just right, and Jupiter gets a brand new moon. So what were these captured objects before they became moons? They were likely asteroids from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Or perhaps even icy bodies flung inwards from the Kuiper belt, way out past Neptune. Each one is a tiny, frozen time capsule, preserving the raw materials of the solar system from billions of years ago. By studying their composition, we can get a glimpse into the building blocks of planets. They're like ancient cosmic fossils, telling us a story about our solar system's wild youth. This capture theory also explains why they're in such weird orbits. When an object is captured, it rarely settles into a neat, circular path. Instead, it gets pulled into a long elliptical and often tilted orbit. And because the capture can happen from any direction, it's just as likely to end up going backward as it is forward. In fact, many of these captured moons are grouped into families, suggesting they might be fragments of a single, larger body that was captured and then shattered by Jupiter's tidal forces or a collision. It's a story of cosmic abduction and subsequent family drama. Think about the sheer scale of this. Jupiter is so massive that its gravitational influence extends for millions of kilometers. It's constantly sweeping its cosmic neighborhood clean, and in the process, it has assembled this bizarre collection of tiny worlds. It's not just a planet. It's a miniature solar system in its own right, with a history written in the chaotic orbits of its smallest moons. The 4 big Galilean moons, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto formed with Jupiter, like a proper family. But these dozens of outer moons are the adopted rogues, the drifters that got pulled into the family. What's really exciting is that we're still finding more. With every improvement in telescope technology, we spot more faint specks of light dancing around the gas giant. The official count keeps ticking upwards. Each new discovery is another piece of the puzzle, another clue to understanding the violent and unpredictable history of our solar system. Could there be hundreds more waiting to be found? Almost certainly. So, could any of these be captured alien worlds? Well, if by alien you mean from outside our solar system, that's highly unlikely. The speeds and distances involved make that an almost impossible scenario. But if by alien you mean worlds that are foreign to the Jupiter system itself, objects that were born elsewhere and forcibly relocated, then absolutely, yes, they are alien invaders, in a sense, cosmic immigrants that now call Jupiter home. They are remnants of a lost population of celestial bodies, telling a tale of migration and capture on a planetary scale. These tiny moons aren't just rocks. They're evidence of a dynamic, evolving solar system where nothing stays put for long. They remind us that the neat, orderly model of planets orbiting the Sun is a simplified snapshot. The reality is much more complex, much more interesting, and full of ancient cosmic mysteries waiting to be solved. Every time we look at Jupiter, we're not just seeing one planet. We're seeing a story of creation, chaos, and capture that has been unfolding for over 4.5 billion years. The puzzle of its 95+ moons is one of the most fascinating tales in astronomy. Thanks so much for joining me on this cosmic journey to the King of Planets. If you enjoyed unraveling this mystery, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe. Let me know in the comments what you think about these captured worlds. See you in the next video.